Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Kahinyo trap National Aching Movement, kala Bitar lab banyi jingkam Trai jong Chief Executive Member ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council utuliram ronghang ya Shnong Mukroh kapadang ha po upur usam jong West Giant Hills District. Bat kenoru bagi khasi penar ki basyong hak Shnong Mukroh ki dei tang ki nong syong thap bat ki basyusa bean. Kumban chu pentip hang ni ba utuliram ronghang hak jingle jurep ya ka than Mukroh hadim balja ka jingsha siat jong sangut ki nong Shnong Mukroh. Bat uwe nong apa raklau jong ke Sarkar Asam haki pulit ke Jela Asam haka arpu artrik naiweng arajar arpu ar. Ulakam bagi khasi penar ki basa apo ke than Mukroh ki dei tang ki basyubuhai Shnong bat ki dei ru ki nong tu diang. Haka jing ekran bigilat pathai kebuar Vice President jong ke Hanm uba kelang thong ni ulong baka seng ke penrem jur ya ni ki jingkran labla jong utuliram ronghang bat dawa ya ke Sarkar Meghalaya ban chimkhya halor ke ni ke kam namar bagi kentian ki bau tuliram ronghang ulakren ilang ke pinja buram omtang ki pajba nong Shnong jong ke Shnong Mukroh hendre wat ye ki pajba jong ke Jela Meghalaya borok kowe. Chief Advisor jong ke Hanm Ranikor Circle u John Sangma ulong baka nyang persyaru halor ke jingtemu jong ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council bantay ye umot sa kan mau nakabenta unong apa raklau ke Sarkar Asam u bala syat siat yap bat bantay ye ke yeng school hapo upur usam jong ke Shnong Mukroh.
Habang ilayo ya ka statement ka jong u CM Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council tuliram ronghang ya ka ba ula kentho ba Mukroh kidon ki illegal settlers kani ka kentian illegal settlers kalapan inkhong ngi kum ginelam jong seng kalapan Bitar bat namar kata kani kupor ni dawa bat ni kwa ba une urang ba un pensyai ya ke jingmut kabadan syadien yang ni gentian illegal settlers hangti Mukroh kumbakalong ki nongsang Shnong hak tu ke jaka hak tu ke Shnong ki day ki jat benrio kasih bat kani ke statement ke jong liu rang ba kalau kum ke insult ya ke jat benrio ya ki paradok persnam jongi badan hangti ibasa hangti kapok Mukroh bat ke jingmut ke jong liu rang ba klempep kan wanra dagawe ke jingtau bat kata kan long ban penia clash ya ki artili ki jat mrio khasi ke jat mrio Karbi nadu ke basdang kum ki nolam jong ka state ki political party ki seng balang ba per ki seng niam ki lapen smok tho bakani ke issue ke de interstate dispute interstate issue hapleng jong ki artili government jong Meghalaya ba government Assam kamdei ban kata jat benril Henry kei ke ba kalau pengi kongi kalau bau ni urang ba CM jong ni ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council ula kentho daga boong ba ki khasi ki besyong ang tu ki dei ki besyong bian kani klempap kan wanra ya ke jingi ya super jumut jong ki artili ki ijat meriu hapreng jongi khasi bat ukarbi bat hakju ko puan ngalapan ong ba lada nakleng jong ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council barangkat lu bat ki official ki jongka kin persang ban le thombor lani ban kni yak tu ke jaka kabalaja hakini khndet sngi beladap ya ke bagi mensiam ki balui jing paradok senam jungi kila thiak langkrang tuai ke senam kinwan ban let bor nyimban se kum kina alam jong jenam nyihab ban Trai ye ke belajar thana haus nem arja shpo ngimban sing mi haban phaidien trai but ngimban sero binga haban shim ga action lada kini ki bor jong asam ki sedang ban pen I da ka bor hak jing sha kani ka kam ka jing ka kam ka ba habani penbet na ki artli ki government Henry uni orang ba usdang bermuslia usdang ban pensapriang ye ki ba la banlong ke jing masau hapreng jongi bat ki karbi kumta nakle josan ka bu ke jing ham ye ki official bat kumjuru ye ka karbi anglong autonomous council ambet ban persang ban yurat lani ban kam wat shi ya ke jaga jongi kumba nakliang jong ki nosen char Shnong hang tu kila pen I bat kumjuru ban nakliang jong siam ru ula pensai pentikna baka mukroh kadai hapo uput sam jong berinyo trap
ni pen pauru ya ke jing persyak halor ke jing temu jong ka karbi anglong dis council bantai mot bat bantai dak yin school ha po jong put usam jong ka berinyo trap hangtai po mukroh bat kumno ngin sya baka sam kan bantai du tu mot jong uta polit jong ka forest jong ka asam haba udai unang pania breu bat ka Hanm ka kren dak besai balada ka sam kan mantai jubor ka Hanm kan le dak patenge bat kan pen pramador ladai ustisu ladai ka yin school ban wantai hantai po jong Shnong Mukroh bat ru nak le juga Hanm kabu ka jingkali banai kayo bor nai kani ka asam atau kani ka karbi yang long district council kayo bor mantai ya kini ki jingtai hapo put usam jong ka rihasi hatu kami khalia hatu ka sarkar jela kala basnap jar lor kani bat lada chief minister umla bentuklar lor kani kebenta ngiti kena bahkan mi ka junusnam ka bashir kai bat ki nong Shnong ke Mukroh lese sasin kin kelab yang kilang kenya kumba kaja hak di sini berdap ka arpar trek.
The disappointment is that when the two governments in negotiation to settle this border issue, and after given the statement of Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, when he was busy to canvass in Gujarat by Gujarat election, he have clearly said in Mukroh village that accident happened, and due to this misunderstanding of their forestmen, and for that purpose, that forest department that came was settled in the Mukroh village, and the police department from the Mukroh village, whatever they have put at the outpost from the Assam government side, he have given the statement very clearly on that day that he will lift out all the forest outposts and the police department. Then after a few days, now Tolaram Ronghang has given a statement that they will settle and they will put the police outposts like CRP camp and special battalion in all the borders area, and they have clarified also that the village who are under in the jurisdiction of Meghalaya, that Mukroh, has given the very clearly they have said that all are illegal settlers. So this is from the Hanm, we cannot accept, and we will not sit silently. And if the government side, from the state government of Meghalaya, if they will not take any action regarding this, then we will, all the NGOs, we have to come together in one umbrella for fights and give justice to the people who are staying in border area. And from the HNM also, we like to give a suggestion for the state government. Whenever the peaceful protests are organized by the different NGOs, that special operation team, SOT, SWAT, all SF10 are busy only in city. Frankly speaking, we don't want this all special forces, SOT, SWAT, SF10. Because in city we have already CRPF. Why don't you settle in the border area that SOT, SWAT, SF10? So that peoples of borders area who are staying, so they will get some protection from the state government. The state has completed 50 years. I request all the political party, stop play politics. Stop blaming each other, because this is the issue of our land. This is the issue of our brain new trap. This is the issue of somebody's lives are losing in every borders area. Why don't you come all together and see all these problems? This is the number one question I like to put in the state government. Let it be UDP, let it be Congress, let it be NPP, no problem. But when it comes to issue of border area, you all the politicians are stop the playing politics and come together and look up what solution you can bring out for bring a peaceful in the borders area. I think if I'll not mistake, even that police department also, that SP from Giant Hills, that special force and department battalions are, if you ask regarding this border area boundary, even they also cannot tell you regarding our Meghalaya boundaries, because from the state government they have not given the training or came or explained them that this is our area, this is the Assam area. For that's why we are creating every time the problem we are facing.